Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a withdrawal address on Binance. First, log into your Binance account and navigate to your wallet section. This process is crucial for safely moving your digital assets to an external wallet or another exchange. We will cover each step, from finding the right menu to confirming your new address. It's a straightforward process that takes only a few minutes to complete, ensuring your funds are always secure. Once logged in, head over to your wallet and then click on Fiat and Spot. This section displays all your available assets. Next, find the cryptocurrency you intend to withdraw and click the Withdraw button associated with it. For example, if you're withdrawing Bitcoin, select Bitcoin. This action will lead you to the withdrawal page, where you can manage your addresses before initiating any transfer. On the withdrawal page, look for Address Management or an option to add withdrawal address. Here, you will carefully paste the external wallet address. It is absolutely vital to select the correct network, such as the Ethereum network, also known as ERC20, or the Binance Smart Chain, BEP20. A mismatch could result in permanent loss of funds. Finally, give your new address a clear, memorable label. After entering all the details, take a moment to thoroughly review everything. Double-check the address, the network, and your label for any errors. Binance will then prompt you to complete security verification, typically involving a code sent to your email and a two-factor authentication code. Once these steps are successfully completed, your new withdrawal address will be securely added and ready for future transactions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.